Hello boys, welcome to your online maths class. In my last video, I had taught you expanded form and I had given you exercises also. So today I am going to teach you short form. Now this is how I taught you expanded form. So this is being shown in expanded form. Now we have to make this into short form. So this 3 is in hundreds place, that is 300. 4 is in tens place, that is 40. And 5 is in ones place. So when you do this, you write on top HTO. So your 300, your number 3 will come under the hundreds place because it is 300. 3 will come under hundreds place and 40 is it under tens place. So your 4 will come under tens, that is 40, 4 tens. And your 5 will come under ones place, that is single digit, ones. Same way, okay. Now here again, 2 is in hundreds place, 200, 0 is in tens place and 6 is in ones place. So now 200. So under 100 we will write which number? 2. Now here there is 0000 that comes under tens place. So the first 0 we will copy under tens. And 6 is under ones. Understood boys? Okay. Now 900. Again 900 is it under hundreds place. So we'll copy this number 9 under hundreds. Can you see 100, tens and ones? So 9 will come under hundreds place. 50, that is tens. So 5 will come under tens place. And 0 is under ones place. So 0 will come under ones. So this is the way you do your short form. Another example. $600. Okay. So now you tell me 600 will come where? 600 will come under, 6 will come under hundreds place. So your man will write 6. Now 60 will come under tens place. So here I will write again 6. And 6 will come under ones place. So here again I will write 6. So 666. Short form 666. Expanded form and short form. Expanded form and short form. So you know the expanded form. Now you learn the short form. So again there is 500 plus 40 plus 1. So 500 will come under 100. 5 will come under 100. 40 will come under tens place. And 1 will come under ones place. Understood boys? Is this easy for you all? Okay. Again same. 700 plus 30 plus 2. Ma'am is writing. 7 under hundreds place, 3 under tens place, and 2 under ones place. Okay. 6 is under hundreds place, 0 is under tens place, and 1 is under ones place. Sometimes boys make this mistake. They put these two zeros also over here, and they try to put this 1 over here in the ones place. So please do not make this mistake. This is only 1 0, but this 0 we have put because it is in the tens place. That's why we put the 0 in the tens place, but we don't have to put the 0. Sometimes you all make this mistake. You all add both the zeros over here, and you all put the 1 also in the ones place. So don't make that mistake. This 0 means that you have to write only 1 0 here and 1 in the ones place. If you write your H, T, O, and if you know your place value, that's why in the first video I told you that you have to be very careful with your place value. Now, what you boys were making the mistake, some boys I had given them like this, and the boys were, when they were sending me work, they were doing this. This is correct. It is absolutely correct. But ma'am wants to teach you the place value. She wants to teach you where the 0, because see, if you have done this way, when ma'am is going to give you expanded form, how will you do it in the short form? That's why ma'am told you, when you write this, you are actually supposed to do, you have to show your place of 0 0 also, and then you show your ones place. Ma'am knows that this is correct. When you go in the higher classes, you will be taught to do it like this only. But when you are in class 1, we teach you the place value. You should know the place value in each and every number. This is the basic thing that you should know. When you know the place value of the numbers clearly, you can do your maths very well and you enjoy doing maths then. Okay. 700 plus 50 plus 0. So 7 is under hundreds place, 50 is under tens place, and 0 is under ones place. And sometimes boys do this. They put this 5 and 50 and they put this 0. So boys, please do not make this mistake. Always remember that your tens number, that means this 0 is actually showing your tens place. 10 means 1 0 and ones means no 0. But if the 0 is given there as a number, then you have to show that over there. Okay? Otherwise, you don't have to. Ones place means single digit. Again, 500 plus 20 plus 4. So 5 will come under hundreds place, 2 will come under tens place, and 4 will come under ones place. Good boys, understood? Is it clear to all of you? Now one more. Okay. So 800 plus 00 plus 0. So 800 is in the hundreds place. 00 is in the tens place. So 10. And 0 is in the ones place. So 10 here in the ones place. So have you understood, boys? Okay, now this concept is very clear to you. The short form concept is clear to you all. Now ma'am will be giving you all exercises to do. So bye and God bless. I'll see you in the next video.